Good morning, everyone. Yeah, good morning. Good morning. Let's take one more problem. Let's take one more problem. You will get the more clarity. Today's class, this is the starting point. Today's date is, I think, the 21st, 21st, 4th, 26th. 21st, 4th, 26th. So I'm writing that problem. Let me write. Something like main. I hope audio video is okay. Please verify. Main int a is equal to, let's see this, 3, 2, 4. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240. Printed percentage u, percentage u, percentage u, comma, star a plus 2, star a plus 10, printed percentage u, percentage u, percentage u, yeah, it is a problem. So can you go ahead? So first of all, good morning everyone. First of all, good morning everyone. Yeah, good morning everyone, good morning. Yeah, can you go ahead with this problem? Can you try once? I will give the answer. You try your opinion. Go ahead. Yeah, let me give answer. So remember 3D array. This problem is belongs to 3D array. This problem is belongs to 3D array. So everyone know. So just I want to convey here. Just I want to convey here. Just check one time. So I think where I can write. Yeah, give me some time. I will write somewhere. I will come back. I will write somewhere and I will come back. Can you see this? Can you see this? Yeah, can you see this? I will write somewhere. I will come back. Can you come here? Listen, everyone carefully. 1D array means 1D array means collection of elements. 1D array means collection of elements. That is the reason. That is the reason. Suppose assume that A is 1D array. Suppose assume A is 1D array. 1D array means collection of elements, right? A is a 1D array. Then A plus 1 means, A plus 1 means, A is 1D array, then A plus 1 means that one element will skip. One element will skip. Right? 1D array A. A is a 1D array. What is the meaning of A is 1D array? Collection of element. 1D array means a collection of element. A plus 1 means one element will skip because it is a collection of elements. Collection of elements. 1D array means a collection of elements. When you say plus 1 for that 1D array, one element will skip. Right? In the similar way, right? See this one. 2D array. 2D array. Let us assume A is a 2D array. Assume A is a 2D array. So what is the meaning of 2D array? 2D array means collection of rows. Collection of 1D array are 1D arrays are rows. So this is the 2D array. See, it is one row. It is a one more row. It is a one more row. It is a one more row. Right? So it's a row or 1D array. It's a row or 1D array. It is also row or 1D array. Row or 1D array. So like this. So when I say a plus 1, when I say a plus 1, right, in the 2D arrays, when I say a plus 1, it is a collection of rows, na, or a collection of 1D. Then one, right, one row will skip. One row skip. Or one 1D will skip. So now come to the 3D array. Like a 2D array, 3D array. Can you see 3D array? 3D array. 3D array. A is a 3D array. Assume A is a 3D array. Be careful, everyone. Assume A is a 3D array. Then what is the meaning of right? What is the meaning of 3D array? Means remember collection of 2D arrays. Collection of 2D arrays. So how they are. You can see this diagram. How they are. Collection of 2D arrays. How they are. Can you see this one? It is one 2D. One 2D. Assume that it is a 0th 2D. 0th 2D. It is the first 2D. It is the second 2D. Zeroth 2D, first 2D, and second 2D. But if you go inside 2D, so how many? If you see our problem, in our problem, how many 2Ds are there? Can you check one time? I think 3 8 24. I think 3 2Ds are there. I will show you one time. I will show. See, 3 2Ds. Every 2D size is 2 by 4. 3 2Ds. 3 2Ds. Each 2D size is 2 by 4. Each 2D size is 2 by 4. Right? So, yeah, I will go and I will explain now. I will go and I will explain. Sorry for inconvenience. Yeah, come here. 3, right? 2 by 4. See this one, 2 by 4. Zeroth row, first row. Zeroth column, first column, second column, third column. Right? In the similar way next also. Similarly next also. 0 1 0 1. Right? So yeah, I think this is, so 3D array is nothing but a collection of 2D arrays. Remember a plus 1 means one 2D array skipped. One 2D array skipped. One 2D array will skip. One 2D array will skip. Be careful. I hope everyone. Some people are asking, one 2D array will skip means how much will skip, sir? Assume that every element is 2 bytes. Assume every element is 2 bytes. Assume that every element 2 bytes. One 2D array, if you observe 8 elements. One 2D array, if you observe 8 elements are there. 8 elements. I think 8 to 16. So suppose assume base address is 1000. So if I say a plus 1, one 2D array will skip. One 2D skip. 1 2D means I think 8 people. 8 people. 8 to 16. It became 1016. So you skipped it. So you are at here. A plus 1. 1 2D skip. Why 1 2D? Right? Everyone know 2D 3D array is nothing but a collection of 2D arrays. When I say plus 1, 1 2D array will skip. One 2D array contain, I think, 2 rows. Every row contain 4 people. 2 into 4, 8. So every element is 2 byte, 8 to 16. So 1016. Okay, that is okay. That is okay. What about this? What about this? Can you handle properly? Can you handle properly? A plus 1 already there. A plus 1 star. This is also 1016. But remember, first 2D is selected. First 2D is selected means you are inside. You are inside this box only. It is selected. It is selected. You are inside only. Remember, 3D array 1 star is completed. It will become 2D array. Now, normal 2D array story. 1 star over, it became a 2D array. Because first 2D array selected. 2D array selected means now you are 2D array. From now onwards. Can you see this one? A plus 1. Star already there plus 1 because of it is a 2D array. 2D array plus 1 means 1. 1D array is selected. 1D array skipped, which is nothing but 1 row skipped. 1 row skipped. Right? 1 row if you observe. 1 row skipped. 1 row is 4 people. 4 to 8 bytes. Right? It's going to be 1024. 1 row is 4 people. See, 1 row is 4 people. 4 to 8. So for the existing 1016, add 8. 1024. Okay, that is also fine. Till now everything is fine. Now understand. A plus 1 star already there plus 1. One more star I done. Same thing you will get. One more star you done. Same thing you will get. But remember, second star also over. That means it became a 1D. It became a 1D. That means what the meaning? Right? I think row also selected. So first 2D is selected. First row also selected. See, this is first 2D is selected. Okay. First row also selected. So this one. This one, right? So first row you are right. At first row you kept star operator. So first row also selected. Now you are in this row only, right? It became a 1D now. Now see this. A plus 1 star plus 1 star plus 1 plus 1. That means one element skipped. One element is 2 bytes, right? One element is 2 bytes. 1026. Right? Now understand. Now can you see this? Now can you see this? Can you see this one? A plus 1 star plus 1 star plus 1 star. So third one also I kept star. To this also I kept star. Now you will get data. Because in that 3D array, after 3 stars you will get data. In the 3D array, after 3 stars you will get data. 3D array after 3 stars you will get data. So that means I think one element is skipped. This is whatever it is, this value. So let me write the values also because of they are very small. I can write 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200, 210, 220, 230, 240. Yeah. So right, total 24 people into 10, 240. So I think I am at here. Right? After plus 1 I came here. After star, right, I am inside only. In this plus 1 I came here. After star, in this only. After plus 1 I am at here. One more star, 140. You will get answer 140. think everyone is comfortable. I think everyone is comfortable. Can you check one time? Can you check one time? Can you check one time? See this one. See this one. Right? After 1 star plus 1. After 1 star plus 1. What do you mean? After 1 star plus 1 means one D array will skip. One row skipped. 1024. One more star I done. Remember, until 3 star, you don't get data. It is confirmed until 2 stars, you don't get data. 2 stars over, then only you will get data. 3 stars over, then only you will get data. Until 3 stars, you don't get data. Right? I think 2 stars over, same, but the thing is, 2 stars over means now it is 1D. In the 1D plus 1 element is skipped. One element skipped, one element is 2 bytes. So 1026. Afterwards star, I think last one also star also happened. 1026 address, whatever data there, that data you have to take. That is a 140. That is a 140. I think everyone is comfortable. Everyone comfortable with this story. Everyone is comfortable, right? So let me ask you one small line. Because of you are comfortable, I will ask you one small line. Please give answer everyone. What is a plus 1? Assume that this array name is small a, right? Small a. Let me write. What is a plus 1? Right? I think 2D will skip. 2D means 8 people. Every one 2 bytes. 1060. Right? That is okay. I understand. What is ampersand a? That is also 1000, okay? But when you say ampersand a plus 1, understand. Ampersand a plus 1 means, right, whichever is this 3D there, total 3D will skip. Sir, I want to skip total 3D itself. Now I am at 3D. I want to skip total 3D. Total 3D, how many people are there? 24 people. 8 3 is 24. 24 people are there. Everyone, how many bytes? 2 bytes. I think it will become 48. 48. So it became 1048 because total 3D skip. 3D array skipped. 3D skipped. Total diagram is skipped. So if anyone having small doubt, let me know. Sir, I am at 3D. I want to skip total 3D, sir. Just keep ampersand, do plus 1. Total 3D will be skipped. Just keep ampersand, do plus 1. Total 3D will be skipped. Okay, I think you are perfect. Let me know anyone having any objection. Sir, I have this objection. You say to me, sir, I have this objection. You say to me, right? So I will take care. Okay, next, can you help me one small line? After 1 star plus 1, what is the answer? Everyone. After 1 star over. 1 star is over. Right? 1 star over means it will be 2D. In the 2D array plus 1, what is the answer? 1D is equal. 1D means 4. 4 to 8. It's going to be 1008. After 2 stars skipped plus 1. 2 stars means I think it will become 1D array. In the 1D array plus 1 element skipped. It's a 1002. So 1002. Let's have any objections are there, please raise. Please raise if you have any objections. Ready, sir, I have this objection. You say to me, I will help you. I have this objection, sir. You just ask me, I will help you. See, I written very clearly. Assume array is A is array. A is array, assume. Right? A is a array. 1D array A. So plus 1. What is the 1D array? Collection of element. Plus 1. One element will skip. 2D array. Assume A is a 2D array. 2D array means what? Collection of 1D arrays. Plus 1 1D array will skip. Next one. A is a 3D array. Assume A plus 1. First of all, what is the 3D array? Collection of 2D arrays. Collection of 2D arrays. What is the plus 1? One 2D array will skip. Sir, total, I am at 3D, sir. I want to skip total 3D, sir. Just keep ampersand plus 1 you do. You can skip total. And one more interesting thing is small doubt also there. You can write a program and you can execute. You can write a program and you can execute. right? Now come back here, come back to our original problem. This is the today's problem. First problem is this. Today's problem, first problem is this. Be careful. Today's problem, this is the first problem, right? You can write the rough diagram also. Rough diagram also you can write. So I think three people, no? Three people. Let me write it. Three people. It is one box. This one more box. It is one more box. For your purpose, I am drawing again. Nothing there. It is the 0th 2D. It is the first 2D. It is the second 2D. Next one. It is the 0th row. It is the first row. 0th column, first column, second column, third column. Yeah, fine. Everything is fine. Now see this. Right? Everything is ready. Assume base address is 1000. Now you can easily give answer. Easily now you can give answer, in my opinion. Like this, you can continue further also. They may ask 4D array. They don't ask, but they may ask 4D. What is the 4D collection of 3Ds? What is 5D collection of 4Ds? What is the ND collection of n minus 1s? That is the meaning of this. N dimensional array collection of n minus 1 dimensional arrays. Other than this, nothing. All will store continuously. Now I am doing everything. Everything is available here. I am doing here. A is 1000. Can you see this one? Star and plus star is the winner. Check if you want. A is 1000, right? Star and plus star is the winner. Star 1000. That means 0th 2D selected. Initially you are, if you want, you can check. Initially you are 0th 2D, 0th row, 0th column. Initially all zeros you are. Initially you are all zeros. All zeros you are. If you want, you can check. See this one. A 1000. Star and plus star is the winner. Star 1000. What is the meaning? 0th 2D selected. Okay. Next one. What is once again star? 0th 2D selected in that. Right? 0th row selected. That is also okay. Next one. Once again star. In that 0th row, whichever selected. 0th column also selected. Means I think 3 stars are over, you will get data. First data is 10, you will get. Plus 5. Data plus 5, same. 15. First, right? I think that this printf will give 15. It is the only one who is data. He is the only one who is data. This is the only one which is the data. Check. Right? I think this is perfect. This is, I think, everyone find interesting. Yeah, I think everything is okay. Now listen this also. A is 1000. Remember, it is a 3D array. Ampersand A means you kept root. This one, you went the deep. You went to the root of the tree, a root of the array you went. Ampersand A means root you went, plus 1, total 3D will skip. I think this 3D contains 24 elements. Every element is 2 bytes, 48 is 1048. Now it is simply A plus 1. A is what? 1000. Plus 1 means, I think it is a 3D array, plus 1. 1, right? 1 2D skip. 1 2D means 8 people, 8 to 16, 1016. What is A? A as usual, 1000 will be printed. I think that's very easy. So I done the first one. Sorry, I done the last printf I done, because they are looking easy. They are looking easy. Now come here now. A is 1000. Star A. What is the meaning? Oh, 0th 2D initially you are, that 2D is selected. But remember, 1 star over. Plus 2 means 2 rows. 2 rows means 2 1Ds. 1 1D 4 bytes. 2 1Ds 8 bytes. 8 to 16. So it's going to be 1016. Check if you have any doubt. Check if you have any doubt. But remember, 2 rows, 1 row 4 bytes. Sorry, 1 row 4 people, 2 rows 8 people. 8 people I have to skip. Every person 2 by 1016. Now come here now. It is 1000. Star 1000 means 0 with 2D selected. Once again star means 0 with row also selected. Remember, 2 stars over in the 3D array. Only 1 star left out means 1D array. In the 1D array plus 1, 10 elements. Every element is 2 bytes. 10 elements, 20 bytes. 1020. Next one, be careful, it is a shortcut. It is a shortcut. Remember, A purpose, star also fighting, A purpose, star also fighting, bracket also fighting. I will go with the bracket. First bracket. Remember, it is a shortcut. Actually, if you see, star A plus 2. Should be done first, but anyhow, outside 1 star is there, outside 20 also there. Now check, A is 1000. Plus 2 means 2 D's will skip, 1 2D. 1 2D, 8 people. 2 2D, 16 people. 16 people I have to skip. Every 1 2 by 16 to 32. So 1032. Afterwards star, same thing will be there. 1032. Afterwards star, same thing. 1032. But remember, 2 stars completed. 2 stars completed. Only 1 star there. Now plus 1 means 1 element. Now plus 20 means 20 element. Every element is 2 bytes. 20 elements means 40 bytes. So for the 1032, add 40 bytes. 1072. Please check properly. Verify properly. Some people are asking, sir, those many elements we have may not have. If not there, if you access, right? If you access the data, you may get garbage. Some unknown data. But remember, in the memory, all are there continuously. In the memory, all are there continuously. So this may be your diagram. Your diagram is only this. But in the memory, all are there continuously. Right? If you access them, you will get garbage. Don't worry. So remember, first A plus 2. See, without star plus 2. 2 D's will skip. 1 2D, 8 people. 2 2D, 16 people. 16 people skipping means 32 bytes. Okay? Afterward, 2 stars. Same thing you will get. Same thing you will get. The only thing is behavior will change. 2 stars over. Now it became 1D. 1D means collection of element plus 20 elements. Sir, in one row, 20 people not there. But remember, inside the computer, everything is in the form of 1D array 1D. Inside the computer, everything is 1D array 1D. Everything 1D. When you say plus 20, you are at here. Plus 20 if you say. After 2 stars over, you are at here. Plus 20 if you say. 20 element will skip. Because in the memory, no row, no column. All will be stored continuously. Plus 20 means 20 element will skip. 1072. Okay, fine. Now come here. Same story. A plus 2 star first. Then plus 7. Plus 7. Can you see? 8000 plus 2 means 2 D's will skip, which is going to be 1032. Afterwards star, same 1032. But remember, until now 1 star over. Now plus 7 means 7 rows will skip. 1 row, 4 people. 7 rows, 7 fours, 28 people. 28 means 56 bytes. 1052 plus 1032 plus 56. How much it is? 88. 32, 56. Yeah, 88. Please verify if I done any calculations wrong. Remember, right? Plus 7 means after 1 star plus 7. What is the answer? 7 rows will skip. After 1 star, right? Plus 7 means 7 rows. 1 row, 7 people. Sir, 1 row, 4 people. Like 7 times. 7 fours, 28. 28 people means 28 into 2, 56. Already 32. 32 plus 56, which is going to be 88. So that is the first printf story. If you think that something is wrong, let me know. I will recalculate. It is a maximum thing what can happen in the arrays. It is a maximum thing what can happen in the arrays. Remember, it is the maximum thing what can happen in the arrays. If you think that sir something wrong, sir, Reddy sir, I am not getting this. You ask me, I will help. Right, now come to this one. I think see 2 stars over. 2 brackets means 2 stars over. First two, second 2D. Next two, in that third row, inside computer, remember, all are there continuously. Don't be emotional. Whatever calculations are there, please go ahead. Don't see. Suppose in the diagram they are not available. If you access the data, you will get garbage. Right? Be careful. So let me check here. Everyone. A of 2. A of 2 means what? I think 2D selected. Which 2D you want, you selected. Because of there is a bracket. But plus 2. What the meaning? 2Ds will skip. So you are at the third 2D. Means you are at here. Not only that, you done star selected. So 2Ds means every 2D 8. 2Ds means 16. 1032. 16 means 16 into 2, 1032. Star also done. Afterwards, plus 3. 3 rows. 1 row, 4 people. 3 rows means, right? I think 3 4s 12. 12 2s 24. 32 plus 24. 56. Star, right? It's a 1056. 2 stars over. Plus 4 means 4 elements. Every element is 2 bytes. 4 plus 8 bytes. 8, right? I think 1056 plus 8, which is going to be 1064. Please calculate properly. 56 plus 8. 1064. I think so. Next one. Can you see this one? Plus 2 means 2Ds. Afterwards, without star, 1 more plus 3. I think 2Ds, 3 2Ds. Totally 5 2Ds. You may say they are not available. If not available, you will get garbage. Don't worry. So 2 plus 3, totally 5. 5 2Ds you have to skip. 1 2D, 8 people. 5 2Ds, 5 8, 5 8s 40. Right? So 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3. Understand this one. 2 plus 3, which is going to be 5. 5 2Ds. 1 2D, 8 people. See. 1 2D, 8 people. Like it 5 times, 5 8, 40. 40 people skipping. Every one is 2 byte. 80. 1080. After star also 1080. But plus 4 means 4 rows will skip. So 1080 plus 4 rows. 1 row 4 people. 4 rows means 16 people, which is 32. 32 plus 80, which is going to be 80. Let me write now. 80, 32. 112. So I will write this entire thing. If you observe, 1132. Sorry, 1112. Triple 12. Please be careful. Triple 12. Why this much big number? 5 2Ds you are skipping. Every 2D is 8 people. 5 2Ds. 5 8, 40 people. Every one 2 bytes. So 80. Next one, plus 4. After 1 star, plus 4. 4 rows. Every row 4. 4 times means 16. 16 into 2, 32. 32 plus 80, which is going to be 112. So 1112. Okay, fine. Come here. A is 1000. Star directly. 1000 only. Next one, plus 2. Plus 2 means 2 rows. 2 rows means 8 people. 8 means 16. 1016. After star also same. 1016 only. Plus 7. But remember 2 stars over. 7 element. Every element is 2 bytes. 7 2s 14. 16 plus 14. I think 30. 1030. Verify properly. 14 plus 16. I think 15, so 30. Next one. A is 1000. This is also 1000. This is also 1000. 2 stars over, still you have 1000 only. Plus 3 means 3 element. Every element is 2 bytes. 3 element means 6 bytes. 1006. 1006. I think this is the answer for this. Second printf also. Third printf also. Right? I can write the answers roughly. Roughly I am writing. First printf output I am writing. 1060, 1020, Right, next one is 1072, 1088. 1016, they don't give this much big problem, they will give fraction of it. 1020, 1072, next one 1088. That is the first. Can you go to second? 1064, 1112. Third one is 1030. Last one 1006. Now last printf, if you see 1000, 1016, 1048, so 15. I hope everyone is fine. So totally, I think every printf is 4 people. I think 3 printfs, 12 values total. You may be having some doubt. Reddy sir, I have some doubt. You may have in doubt. You please ask me, I will reply. You please ask me, I will reply. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will reply. Yeah, good morning everyone. You ask me, little doubt also there. This is the maximum what can happen in the arrays. In the arrays is the maximum what can happen. This is the maximum what can happen in the arrays. Please try to understand. This is the maximum. Okay, I think can we move to next story? Let me know. Can we move to next story? Subhash is saying good morning. Good morning, Subhash. Good morning. Good morning, Bharadwaj. Good morning, Anjali. Good morning, everyone. Let me know any doubt. Which doubt we will get, sir? We are happily sleeping. Which doubt we will get? We don't get any doubt. Good morning, Isaac. Isaac, do you have any doubt? Let me know. Hello? We all are sleeping. What doubt we will get? What doubt we will get, sir? We all are sleeping. You are unable to sleep. Sir, can you draw matrix for 3D? No matrix, nothing. No need to make high drama. Isaac Bhaiya, no need to make drama. No need to make drama, right? Just I think you can write the diagram like this. Just increase one more level. It is a 3D collection of 3Ds you write. So most probably like this. See this one. It's the one 3D you write. One more 3D you write. Right? Like that you write. So collection of 3Ds. It became 4D. It is the 4D. Remaining all are 3Ds. 0th 3D. First 3D. No need to go for some great diagram. It's unnecessarily increasing trouble. Second 3D. That's it. 4D is a collection of 3Ds. So Isaac Bhaiya thinking some 4D means what kind of diagram? Isaac Bhaiya is thinking 4D means what kind of diagram will come? Bhaiya, no need Bhaiya. Just see the meaning. Make it simple. He is thinking what kind of imaginary diagram will come? What kind of complex diagram will come? Isaac Bhaiya, control yourself. After marriage is over, you can discuss with your partner. What is 3D, what is 4D. You can go deeper. Right here it is enough, Bhaiya. It is enough. After marriage over, you sit your partner, you discuss what is 3D, what is 4D, what is 5D. Do you want to write imaginary diagrams? You write. You want complex diagram? You write. But as of now, not required. Very simple story. What is 4D? Collection of 3Ds. What is 3D? Collection of 2Ds. That's it. right? It is the 3D. See, everything is 2D. It is a 2D. 0 with 2D. First 2D, second 2D. Combinedly called, right? So 3D. Combinedly called 3D. Okay, fine. She will kill me if I ask 4D. So ask smartly. Ask smartly, Bhaiya. Show your intelligence. No one will kill. No one will kill. Ask intelligently. Just start with 1D. Start with 1D. Slowly 1D. So if you are a manager, you will ask. You can ask anything. Managers are like this. Normal people and managers are normal people will ask directly what is 4D. But managers, they will go slowly. Do you like tea or not? Do you like coffee, tea? I can make for you. Coffee I can make. Do you like tea or coffee? Yeah. So if you say coffee, I can make. If you say tea, I can make more better. So she will say most probably, yeah, I like tea. Indians like tea. Then you ask, right? You ask her garam tea or I don't know. I don't know types of teas. You ask her, yeah, tea, which one you like. So after asking her, slowly go. Do you know what is the meaning of 1D? 1D means very simple collection of elements. So like this, 2D means like this. So can you show, if my guess is correct, can you show what is the 3D? If you can, I given 1D also, 2D also. If you really okay, can you say what is the 3D diagram? What is the 4D diagram? Smart way you have to get. If that's the meaning of nice manager. If you are a nice manager, no fights, only outputs. If you are a bad manager, every time fight only. Every time fight. You may ask, can you say different types of teas and all? Right? Yeah, I am not interested in that domain. See, in the C language, right? Types of tea, that part is not there. In the C language, types of tea, that part is not there, Bhaiya. Isak Bhaiya, control yourself. If you control, I will also control. If you control, I will also control. Okay, let's come to the next story. I think everything is ready. Everything is ready. Let's come to the next story. Ready? Structures and union. Today's story is actually this only, but I got to know in the arrays some small point missed out. So structures and union. Structures and union. This is the story. Structures and union. This is the story. Now, but one small question. One small question I want to ask all the people. One small question. Careful. A. Everyone observe. A. 5. A5, something like I can say 2 and 4. Let us assume A5 to 4. Rough diagram, careful. So 2 rows, 4 columns or 4 elements and 5 2Ds. 5 2Ds. 5 2Ds, that every 2D contain 2 rows, every row contain 4 elements. So see this. 4 elements. Understand this. 4 elements. So one row over. One more 4 elements. So I think 2 rows, 4. I think this means one 2D over. So like that, one more. Just I'm saying one more thing which I mentioned in the last class. See that also. Okay, fine. That's okay. This total is called 3D. This total is called 3D, everyone. Total diagram is called 3D. Right? So individual diagrams, if you see 2Ds, total diagram is called 3D. But I will ask you one small question. Please listen. Please listen, everyone. Simply A, in which level you are? I want answer from all of you. Simply A, in which level you are? Yeah, so Anjali saying Gingarati, Yelachiti, something like that is Anjali saying. Anjali, so we will keep one separate class. We will keep the separate class. Title will be types of T's. Types of T's in C language. We will keep the separate lecture for that, but can you concentrate here? Can you concentrate here? Simply A means which level you are. Please clear it out this also. Simply A means which level you are. Simply A means which level you are. It is a 3D array. 3D array. It is 3D array. Go ahead. Simply A means which level? Array 3D level only, okay. But what is the meaning of 3D? Collection of 2Ds, no? 3D means collection of 2Ds. On the 3D array, if I say plus 1, one 2D array will skip. 3D array means collection of 2Ds. If I say plus 1, one 2D will skip. Am I right or not? Now listen. Now listen. Carefully listen. A plus 4. A plus 4 means 4 2Ds will skip. A plus 4 means 4 2Ds will skip. That means you are at here. Careful. A plus 4 means 4 2Ds will skip. So you are at here. Minus A plus 0. 0 2Ds will skip. So remember everyone, A plus 0. 0 2D skip means you are at here only. You are at here. Remember, subtraction will give because of it is skipping 2Ds. Skipping 2Ds. So remember everyone. From here, before here, from here, before here, how many 2Ds are there? That will come. Answer is 4. 4 2Ds. Answer is 4. 3D is collection of 2Ds. 3D is collection of 2Ds. Simply the purpose of subtraction. Subtraction will give how many 2Ds? 2D level subtraction. See this one. 2Ds plus 1 means 1 2D will increase. Plus 1 means 1 2D. Oh, 2D level. I am there in the 2D concept going on. 3D is collection of 2Ds. 3D is collection of 2Ds because one star also not done. A plus 4 means 4 2D skipping. See, remember 2D skipping. 0 A plus 0 means 0 2D skipping. So 2D concept. So 4 2Ds. Answer is 4. You please execute and check. On which level you are? Oh, I am there. 3D means collection of 2Ds. When I say plus 1 2D skipping. 1 2D skipping. Okay. 2D skipping. So in between, how many 2Ds are there? 1 2D, second 2D, third 2D, fourth. But before this. So please be careful. You know this very well. In the last class we done. So can you help me? What is the answer of this? Can you help me? What is the answer? Just I want answer from you. Can you say this also? A plus 4 star. A plus 0, remember star, levels are changed. Now because of 1 star is over, if I say plus 1 row will skip. If I say plus 1 row will skip. Remember, if I after 1 star plus 1 row skip. Means I am almost like row level, because when I say plus 1, row skipping, row level. Okay, this is also row. This is also row. Both are rows. Remember, both are rows. Both are rows. Plus 1 means row skipping. Now observe. Now observe. I am at here. One person is at here. One person is at here. So how many rows are there? First row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, sixth row, seventh row, eighth row, 8 rows. So if you want, you can check. This will give 8. Here 4 2Ds. Between them 4 2Ds are there. But here 8 rows there, because you are row level. 8 rows there. 8 rows there. Please try to understand. Next one. Next one. A plus 4, okay, star star minus A plus 4, 0 star. I think remember 2 stars over. Now elements. Now element level you enter. Element level. So how many elements are there? Check. How many elements? Check. I think 8 rows are there. Every row contain. 8 rows are there. Every row contain 4 people. 4, 8, 32. 32 will come. If you want, you can verify. 8 rows. Every row contain 4 people. 4, 8, 32. 32 elements. Remember, this is not memory. Elements. 32 elements. 8 rows, all are integer. All are integer. It is not memory. Next one is 4 2Ds. All are integer. Percentage D. All are integers. Percentage D. It's very simple. In which level, if you want to know, just say one thing. If I say plus 1, what will happen? If I say plus 1, what will happen? Check yourself. If I say plus 1, what will happen? Oh, it is a 3D, no? Plus 1. 2D will skip. Okay, 2D level I have. 2D level. Collection of 2Ds. If I say plus 1, one row skipping. Oh, collection of. Right, collection of. Right, collection of 1Ds. Plus 1. Oh, collection of element. Just based on that, you can easily get. Remember, both will be row level. Both are row level, or both are element level. Both are 2D level. Both are 2D level. Right? See, overall may be 3D. 3D, you cannot operate as 3D. 3D is a collection of 2Ds. Operation going on 2Ds. 3D, you cannot operate as a 3D. So 3D then, if I say A plus 4, one 3D will skip. No. 3D is a collection of 2Ds. So when I say on A plus 4, 2Ds, because 3D is a collection of 2Ds. So like that. I think you got clarity. In the last class also we discussed. So if you want, you can execute in the system also, you will get the clarity. You can execute in the system also, you will get clarity. Right? Fine. Perfect. Perfect. So can I move to next? Can I move to next? Bro, can I move to next? Check one time. Right. We discussed already in the last class. Now come here. Now come here. Structure and union. Structures and union. Structures and union. Right? So be careful now. Be careful. In my opinion, today's class is just started now. This is the today's class starting point. Just today's class is just started now. Right? With the starting point. Be careful. Be careful, everyone. What is the purpose of structures? I will explain one by one. Listen, everyone. It is something like right. First, our target is structures. Target structures first. Afterwards, we will go to union. See this structures. What exactly it will do? I will check. See this. Int A means, I think 2 bytes of memory will be allocated. Float B, 4 bytes of memory allocated. It is the 2 bytes. It's a 4 bytes. Next one, char C, 1 byte of memory allocated. That is okay. So until now everything is fine. Int A means 2 bytes allocated, float B means 4 bytes, char C means 1 byte. Okay, fine. Now I will ask you one question. These are predefined data type. In C language, these are predefined. Some more data types are there. So I am using few. Let us assume few more there, few more there. These are predefined data type. In C language, some data types are predefined. These are predefined data types. Few more, maybe something like, right, like this double, short int, right? So there are some more things are there, right? Because of we are not using anyway, so I am not writing anything, right? Simply, if you want, you can check C language data types. C language predefined data types. You write, you will get it. Int A, float B, char C, some double is there, short int is there, right? I think there are different things are there. Unsigned, there are so many things are there. Please take care. So predefined, these are predefined data types. When you say predefined, now you can use directly. If anyone having small doubt, just go to Google and just check one thing. Right? C language is different, right? Predefined data types. What? You will get the list. However, not required, but if you want, you can go through it one time. Okay, they are predefined. What is the meaning of predefined? You can use directly. Predefined means you can use directly. Okay, fine. You are using directly. I don't have any objection. Now see this. Now see this. Let us assume that there are 10 predefined data types are there. In C language, let us assume, I am not saying 10. Let us assume 10 predefined data types are there. Those people I can use directly. 10 there, in the place of 10, let me write n. N predefined data types are already there. N predefined data types are already there. Let us assume I want to create one more. So remember, predefined data types, the person who invented the C programming, he only can create. That is the meaning of predefined. N predefined data types are already there. You want one more predefined data types. Because the predefined, right, the inventor only can do it. The person who created the C language, you only can create. He only can create one more predefined data type. But however, he is saying that whenever I feel, I will keep on increase the data type. Whenever I feel, I can decrease also. That's okay. As a inventor, I can increase data type, I can decrease. Predefined means I only will do. Other people cannot do. That's okay. But what he said is, but I don't know what users want. Maybe users want something new. Everything I only creating, that is called predefined, that is a normal story. But users may want more depending upon requirement. But whatever I want, other user may not want. So I am giving chance to the users. Users also can create when they are working, when they are writing program. If they feel some other data type is required, users can create their own data type. You may say that, sir, how, sir? Using structures, users can create their own data type. So how? Let's see this. Very simple. Very simple. When you say int A, 2 bytes memory, okay. When you say float B, 4 bytes of memory, that is okay. When you say char C, 1 byte of memory. Right? Fine. Now see this one. This entire thing, you want one block. Can you see this one? Struct node, new data type which I am creating is struct node. Struct node, just open the bracket here, close the bracket here. Open the bracket, close the bracket. Remember, after this, you have now one new data type that is called struct node. Just write this code. Just write this code. After this code in your computer or in your program, you are included one more new data type that is called struct node. If you want, you can give any name also, but remember, struct followed by name required. Struct node, you created one new data type. Some people are asking, sir, this data type, you created one data type, it's okay. how to create one variable of that data type, like int a. How can you say this one? Struct node, it is a new data type which you created. With that one variable you can create a d. With that one variable you can create a d, right? So by that one variable you can create. So in the place of int d, struct node d. What is the difference? What is the difference? I will say one by one now. What is the difference? I am going to say now one by one. Can you see this? What is the difference? Everyone observe. Everyone observe. What is the difference I am saying now? See this. Int d. Int d. Careful. Int d. When you say int d, 2 bytes of memory will allocate. 2 bytes of memory will allocate. When you say int d, that is the story. But when you say struct node d, careful everyone. When you say int d, this is the story. When you say struct node d, when you say struct node d, memory will be allocated. But inside, if you see, I think how many? One person is integer a, one person is float b, one person is char c. Right? This variable name is called d. Remember, it is not array. Look like array, it is not array. This variable name is called d. Its address also 1000. Its address also 1000. This variable name is d. But what is the difference? The difference between this person and this person, difference is it is not a predefined one. It is a user defined. What it means? Code required below. Before that, code required. Struct node, int a, float b, char c. So before this, code required. That is the meaning of user defined. User should write the code before using. User should write the code before using. Other than this, nothing. Here, some people are asking, what is the difference here? Let us assume this is first part, this is the second part. Assume. So here, first part is not there. Directly second part. First part is not there here. Directly second part. Declare a variable, use it. But in the second case, first create data type. Then that data type variable you create. So in the second part, if you observe, two creations are there. One create data type, another one create variable. But in the first one, if you observe, don't create data type because it is a predefined already there. Create one variable of the data type, int d. But here, create data type first. And one more thing is, create one variable of that data type. Some people are asking, sir, how many bytes? I think integer 2 bytes. No? Integer 2 bytes. Right? Integer is 2 bytes. Float is how much? 4 bytes. So char is how much? Char is 1 byte. Integer 2 byte, float is 4 byte, char is 1 byte. Right? So these are how many bytes? Let's see one small thing. Let's see one small thing. Careful. Observe carefully. I have to type. I will type. I will type. Just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. I am typing for your convenience. I am typing. 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Give to me. Yeah, can you help me? So, what may be the answer you can expect? Can you help me? What may be the answer you can expect? Please, can anyone guess? What may be the answer you are expecting? Please let me know. Any compiler you will use. Just try to pick one online compiler. Can you guess how much space you are expecting? Please let me know, everyone, how much space you are expecting. One more thing I will do. One more thing I will do. See this. So one more thing also I can do. See this. It is the size of. Let us assume that size of int here. It is the size of int. It is size of float. It is the size of char. If you want, you can write size of struct node. That is also okay. All are same. All will give same story. So let me run it. Let me run it. Careful. Let me run it. Run. Compilation failed due to errors. Let's see what kind of errors. Return int. So I am writing here main. While. And one more thing, maybe I think I have to add include std.h. Let me. Now let me run. Yeah, so you are able to see the output also. You are able to see the output. Let me write /n /n. Now come here. Now run it. If you run this one, right, carefully observe. If you run this program, so the first output became 4, integer 4 bytes. Carefully, the first output came integer 4 bytes. Second one is float also came 4 bytes. Next one character is 1 byte. 4 character 1. So every system having its own memories, because in every computer some memories are there. Address is this much size. So remember, integer is 4 bytes. First one is integer. Character, right? Float also 4 bytes. Char is 1 byte. Can you help me now? 4 plus 1. How much total? 4 plus 4. How much total? 9. Actually 9 should come, but how much came? Actually 9 should come, but how much came? Size of struct node is 12 bytes. Can you guess what is happening? Can you guess what is happening? 4 plus 4 plus 1, totally 9. But 12 came. Can you guess what may be the reason? So remember, smaller one also taken as a bigger one only. So this is called padding. This is called padding. Actually 9 bytes are enough. Actually 9 bytes are enough. But smaller one is 1 byte now. So to that also 3 more bytes will be added. To that also 3 more bytes will be added. Total will become 12 bytes. Padding, safe side they will take everyone as a bigger size. Safe side they will take everyone as bigger size. Everyone has bigger size. Can you give the answer to me? What is the answer for this? Now you got idea. So it is going to be integer is in that 2 bytes, float is in 4 bytes, character is in that 1 byte, 2 byte here, 4 byte here, 1 byte. So what is the answer? What is the answer? How much space? Here 2 byte, 2 more bytes will be added. Here 3 more bytes will be added. Total how much? Total how much? Is it 12 bytes? Is it 12 bytes? Right. So that character which is giving, different. So I will little bit work, tomorrow I will inform you. Right. So this is the thing. So what I mean to say is larger one is how much? Larger one is how much? Right. That much will be added to everywhere. So this is 2 only, 2 more bytes will be padding. So that calculations becomes easy. So that accessing becomes so easy. That is the advantage. So plus 3, here 3 bytes padding, here plus 2 bytes padding, right? Totally 12 bytes. To say this point, I given that example. So I run also in front of you. Hope you are finding these classes useful. All resources are there in the description and in the first comment also, like doubt solving group link, 5000 verified questions link, mock tests, quizzes and notes, and right, all the things whichever needed, all kept in the description. Please see, use them properly. These are the resources which you need. I have been guiding students since 2007. Many of my students secured top ranks in the competitive exam. My goal since 2007, from the last 18 years, my goal is very clear. Within 6 to 12 months, I want to make sure my students should crack all competitive exams. Whatever way you are watching these videos, right, these lectures, for all the subjects, similar way is there. Same clarity will be there. And I request everyone, comment your target exam, which exam you are targeting. What is the rank you are targeting? Please comment in the comment section. And comment this also, how many subjects you completed till now. What are the most difficult subjects you are feeling? And when you started the preparation, I request you, please comment so that we can help you accordingly. If these lectures are helping you, right, please comment and share it to your friends also. If you have any doubt at any point of time, don't forget to comment in the comment section. Keep growing, keep improving, and stay consistent. Thank you. I am concluding now. Please listen. Predefined. First step not required. Directly use it. But user defined, directly required. So you have to create the code first. Create the data type first. First create data type. Create data type. Create the data type, right? But here no need to create. No need to create. No need to create. Okay. Next one. So next one, create variable. Here create variable. Create variable. Here also create variable. Create variable. These are user defined. So you have to create a data type first. You have to create variable next. Then if you see the size, because of the combination of so many people, so they are taking some liberty. Otherwise, some problems will come. At the time of accessing, some issues will come. To eliminate those issues, whichever is the larger one, create that much. Whichever is the larger one, create that much. So totally 12 bytes. This is the only difference. Other than this, nothing there. So you thought that 7 bytes. I also thought 7. So, however, whichever is bigger, that much will be added. So, everyone will make that much. So, that is called padding. So, padding, I think if you observe clearly, for the first one, 2 bytes padding. For the last one, 3 bytes padding. So, here 2 bytes padding. Here 3 bytes padding. please take care. Please take care. This. So whatever small issue there, I will look into it. Tomorrow I will confirm that also. Don't worry. It's unexpected results. That is unexpected results. How it came? I will just check one time. Yeah. Until now everyone is fine. Until now everyone is fine. So this, what is the structure's purpose? Listen everyone now. What is the purpose of structures? If anyone asks you, see this one. I am writing. Purpose of structures. Purpose of structures. User can create. Purpose of structures. User can create their own data type based on requirement. Right. Purpose of structures. User can create his own data type. Purpose of structures is user can create their own data type based on the requirement. Right. And one more interesting thing I want to say to you. One more interesting thing I want to say to you. Can you help me? See this? Can you help me? Right? Interesting thing. Interesting thing. Can you see this? Can you see this one? Because of it is there in front of me, I can do that small change also. Please see, everything ready. Everything ready, please see here. Everything ready, please see. Run. So all the things came, right? So I think if you see the, right, let me do this also. Let me do this also. Into one is int, one is double, one is int, one is double. So if you run it, double is 8, 8 3 is 24. Just wait. Yeah, so one is right, one is 4 bytes, one is 8 bytes, one is 1 byte. For right, bigger one is 8, bigger one is 8. For the A, 4 will be added, 4 more will be added. For the C, 7 more will be added, totally 24. That is also okay. But understand everyone. So everyone, even though they are small, bigger memory will be created to avoid some unnecessary problem at the time of accessing. That is okay, but let's see one important thing. See this. Let's see one important thing. I will clarify here itself. Union. Can you see this one? Union. Can you guess? Can you guess what is the size of D? Can you guess what is the size of D? Guess everyone, what is size of D? In the place of struct, I am keeping union. Union. What is size of D? Right, now I will execute. Now I will execute. See this one? Integer is 2 bytes. Double is 8 bytes. Char is 1. When I say structure. So for all people 8 will be there, 8 3 is 24 will be created. But I created here union. Right? Right? Size of union. No. In the place of struct I kept union. I am not done anything. Right? Now see this. I am running now. I am running. See this. So integer 4 bytes, double is 8 bytes, char is 1. But remember, when you say union, for all the people memory will not create. Only for larger one memory will create. Only for larger one memory will create. Let's go there and let's write. Let's go there and let's write. I am writing now. So see the union. Same story, union. Can you see this? Can you see this one? Union, node, everything same. It is also user defined data type. To create user defined data type, one is union, one is struct. So let me write now. Int A 4 bytes. So int A as per our opinion 2 bytes. Float B 4 bytes. Char C 1 byte. Remember, to say creation is completed, you have to keep semicolon. To say creation is completed, you have to keep semicolon. You have to keep semicolon. Please be careful. To say creation is completed. Data type creation completed. Semicolon you have to keep. Next one. Can you see this one? Union. One node I am creating. Union node D I am creating. So if you observe now, size of D, if I say, it will print maximum is 4. So 4 bytes will be there. So the diagram for this one, if you observe, variable name is D. Only 4 bytes created. Variable name is D. Only 4 bytes. In the 4 bytes, listen, in the 4 bytes, either he can store or he can store. At a time, all cannot store. Address is assumed 1000. 1000 onwards 4 bytes. At a time, all 3 people cannot store. Only one person can store. Previous person rewritten. Rewriting will be keep on happening. First, right? Suppose that first you want to store float, store. Next you want to store A. So that that B will be overwritten by A. Next A will be overwritten by char C. So only one person. Remember, higher one memory will be allocated so that other people also can accommodate. But remember, one at a time. Right? A, B, and C, only one person can store at a time. Previous one will be overwritten. Overwrite. Using structures and union, user can create their own data type. So careful. The only thing is, what is your requirement? You want to waste the space? Go here. Go to the structure. Structure's advantage is, for all the people memory is there. Everyone having their own space. No need to overwrite. Here everyone, if you feel that all compulsory, then go for structures. If you feel that all compulsory but one at a time, then go for union. Because union don't waste the space, but the problem is you may lose data. You will overwrite. Sometimes you will store A will be overwritten by B will be overwritten by C. So like that. Right, like that. Are you okay now? Only 4 bytes will be created. Only 4 bytes. Only 4 bytes will be created. In the structures, actually in the structure, right? 2 plus 4 plus 1, 7 bytes enough. Actually, 7 bytes enough. To avoid unnecessary problems, whichever is the bigger one, for every one, bigger one size space will be created. That is called padding, to eliminate unnecessary problems. So it is something like this one, right? It's always, I don't know, maybe in your life also happening. Everyone is a human. It's always like this. Suppose you asked your Papa, can you give 1000 rupees? So parents will check, because they are elders, they are elder people, they will check like this. Oh, my son is asking 1000, urgently is asking 1000, maybe something extra required. So without asking, he may send sometimes to you 1500. You ask only 1000, he may send 1500. Some padding, some extra works, to eliminate unnecessary trouble. They will add a little bit extra. Right? So smaller one also, integer is actually 2 bytes. But because the higher one is here 4, everyone plus 2 here, plus 3 here. Totally this is. Right? I think until now everyone is comfortable. Remember, structures and union, both are Both are for the purpose of user creating their own data type. One here sharing is not there. In the case of structures, no sharing. Every member having its own memory. Every member have its own memory. No sharing. In the case of structures, every member have its own memory, no sharing. But in the case of union, all members having same memory. All members have same memory. Sharing memory. Take care these points. Take care. Using structures and union, user can create their own data type. Their own data type. Right? Fine. Fine. Perfect.